Welcome to Each Backyard. This video, we're going to harvest some mangoes. Not these mangoes. These are the Tommy Atkins mangoes. They're not quite ripe yet. They're getting there, not quite there. Hey, Jack. How's your chicken?
Good.
We're going to harvest some of these. The old Haden mango. You can tell some of them are ready because they're getting to be that real reddish color. Have you noticed that, Jack? Yeah. All right, we got to find our picker. Sure are a lot of ripe mangoes. Ooh, I see one. You can see the ones that are ripe. They stand right out. See the difference in the color? That I'm going right over, right in there. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Go ahead, grab that one with the picker, and let's pick a bunch. Yeah, it's stuck in the all the way open setting. That's the one we got off Amazon. Ooh, that's the right one. You gotta get it without getting the other one. Uh-oh. There it is. Yep. There you go. Cool. We got one, but we've knocked one. That's all right. The little ones? Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Maybe we should get a bucket or something to put them in. Yeah, let's rinse out a bucket. I think we should rinse that bucket out. We'll wash all the fruit too, but rinse it out. Yeah, let's wash it out. All right. Ah, the door hit you. I think we're about ready to paint this house. It's got the stain from the sprinkler. All right, here we go. Gotta remember to shut this. Don't want the chickens getting loose. All right. Hey, chickie. Terry's Black wants to come over and see what's going on. All right, up you go. Next one. Ooh, I see one for sure that's ripe. There it is. The challenge is to pick the one you want and not the ones you don't. Then pull towards you. No, pull. There you go. You got it. That's right. The greenies that come down, we'll counter ripen those. Those will be fine. Let me see that one. Yeah, that's ripe. Does it feel soft? How does it smell?
Like a mango.
Good?
You want to smell it?
I do. Oh, wow, it does. It smells ripe. All right. Yep. Those are the apple mangoes. We just put those to the side, counter ripening. Yeah. Ooh, I see one. Yeah, right up there. There's two of them. Oh, I see. That one, huh? Right over your head, but you can get that one. That one needs to get picked. Oh, that's a smart way to do it. Yeah, kind of come in from the side and... You gotta, yeah, get it over the, right, you got the right idea. You gotta get those little teeth over the top of it and then down over the stem, and then you can just pull it. Yep, that's it. Now pull, just pull. Walk backwards. But you can't have it wedged on the ground as you walk backwards. Okay, now walk, there you go. Did you get it? You get it?
Oh.
You got it.
This smells really good since there's no stem and it's just cut.
That smells better. I like them when they're not as ripe. They almost get too sweet when they're all the way ripe.
Kind of stuck in the all.
Yeah, any ones that we don't get, the squirrels are going to get, and so are the woodpeckers.
That happened to two of them already.
That's a good one. By Jove, you did it. We had a couple casualties of war. That's another beauty, though. That's not a bad looking mango. The Haden has all different sizes, which is interesting.
There was one that looks like...
You look at the Tommy Atkins,
tiny.
like they're all the same exact size, all massive, all perfect size.
But this, there's like two.
But then on the, yeah, you get the little one. I think that's a compost mango.
Yeah.
It's too small. Look for more ripe ones. Swinging in the breeze.
They're on your chair.
Oh no. You know what? When chicks get onto your patio furniture, you know what that means.
No more patio.
It means you're going to find chicky doo-doo on it. So we have to discourage them from being on the patio furniture. See how that works out. They seem to be pretty receptive to remediation, let's say.
I see one like right above.
You see one?
Got sap on it.
Yeah, you got that sap. You see one? Prime one?
It's like yellowish a little.
Oh yeah, that's without a doubt a ripe one. I could almost pick that with my hand. Not quite. Here.
That's why they invented that.
That's why we've got
A
mango picker.
It's a mango.
If you had this many mangoes to pick without a picker, I would say you'd be out of luck. I don't know how you would get to them easily. Ah, man. I'm trying to do it one-handed. Here, you want to do it?
I'm trying to do this at an angle to try not to get the other one.
Yeah, it's the art of the picking one and not the other. That's it. You get that right over the top of the mango. Oh, that was a beauty. In the catcher basket. That's a winner. Let me see that one. Let me do the sniff. That's going to be it. That one's going to be more of a what do they call it? Sour Patch Kids style one. And a super sweetie. We like them both, but let's be honest, the Sour Patch is better.
Trying to see. This one has more red than the other one.
It's a pretty one. If you like if you went and bought a mango at the store, it would probably look like this one. Yeah, I mean like an imitation plastic mango to put in a fruit bowl. People go, oh cool, mangoes, you can now just plastic.
Look how red this one is.
It's really cool.
Then right here, she's like,
yeah, it's rather small, but perfectly ripe. Okay.
I see another one also. It's tiny though, so I don't know. Do you want it?
You want me to get it?
No, do you want me to get it?
I want you to get it.
It's tiny. It's up there though.
All the way. Oh, you got it all the way to maximum length. Can you reach it?
Yes, I can.
You can do it.
Mangoing.
Mango. Mango's been hooked. Oh. Did you get it? You caught. Oh no. Oh, letting it down easy. Let's see what we got. No way. One little tiny. I thought it was going to be the mother of all mangoes.
That's what I said. It was a tiny one.
Okay, well, sometimes the tiny ones
Do
are
you
the
want me
hardest to get. I like it. I'm still pleased. Oh,
Snack.
I'm trying to bruise those mangoes.
It's a little snack.
We don't want to bruise our mangoes. You see any others that are ripe? Yeah, I see one right there.
Oh, wow. And there's also a little baby one again.
Oh, yeah, there's a little baby one. Yeah, we don't leave those baby ones behind because look at that ripe one. Yeah, it's inconvenient that my 1 year review of this picker is.
Which one was it? Oh yes.
Dud is what I say about this picker. I endorsed it initially, but look, these things just lock shut, so now it's just completely fused shut with the rust.
That's why you don't leave it outside.
Yeah, exactly. It's a very delicate picker. Can't leave it outside.
I'm gonna try it this way.
You had it. Oh. Oh, so close. Getting your workout today. It's a mango workout. Pumping those mangoes. It becomes almost like a puzzle. You got to get it up and around the back of it and then pull her down. Ooh, going over the top move. Over the top. Risky. Risky. Oh, jackpot. Jackpot. Literally. Get it? Jackpot.
Ooh, it smells really red.
All right, what do we have the comparison at? Oh, they're both dripping sap.
Yeah.
Which one smells better?
Actually, this one probably.
Yeah, I like it, yeah. The less ripe, the better they smell. They just smell very sweet when they get ripe. Well, we see any others? Hiding away? Squirrels will find them. You found one that was just a little bit yellow on the bottom, huh?
Do we twist? Oh, okay. Thought it was gonna be.
I see that one, just barely yellow. Get it before it starts. You know, once it starts to turn that color, time to pick them. Next thing, the squirrels see that color. See, it's still green, still green. Good smeller?
I made a safe.
Does smell good. You think you'll eat those? I'm gonna dehydrate them to make them, they call them fruit leathers. Read that term on the internet. Oh, look at them swinging in the wind. Are there any? Those ones at the top are gonna be almost impossible to get with our picker. It's not long enough. What? What happened?
You'll see a little nom nom at us.
Oh no. They beat us to it, and we've got to get that one down. Oh, look at it. It's been eaten. Going for the half-eaten mango. You'd be rough with that one. You don't even care, right?
Oh,
Got it. Compost mango.
I know.
The squirrels will probably eat them out of the compost. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Mini mango. You got it.
Being gentle.
Perfect little mango.
Ooh, smells good.
Yeah, that's a beauty. Any others up there that are on the borderline? You know what I mean? I want to get a couple fat boys here just to pick to counter ripen.
Wow, that actually looks pretty cool.
Oh yeah, those are cool. What do you think ate that? Can you determine?
Probably
Is that
a squirrel. Because the woodpecker would probably...
Yeah, it doesn't look like a woodpecker. It looks like a squirrel.
Yeah.
They just hang on those branches and chow the mangoes.
Oh,
They've
wait.
already eaten at least a dozen of them.
Oh, yeah.
That's why you have to grow enough for them and for you.
Wait, you want a fat one just to counter ripe?
I want a fat one to counter ripen, but I don't want to pick these Tommy Atkins yet. You can pick one if you want to pick one. I'm just saying that it's they will get twice as big as this. And I want to give them to our neighbor for salsa, at least some of them, so I want to wait for them to get big. But nothing's stopping us from counter ripening them. But here's the thing.
Whoa.
I like the taste of the Haden more. Ooh, that one. Wow.
It's right by the window.
Right by the window. Look at that.
Surprised I didn't see it. Well, maybe I don't know. But it's a lot.
We're in Mango Town. Oh, what happened here? What happened here? Do you think the chickens eat the mangoes?
Now that looks like a wood.
Yeah, we gotta get rid of that one. Can't let it just rot here.
Ugh. Quickly.
Zombie mango. Fell, we didn't know it. Oh, there's one that fell too. Here's one. I got the juice on my fingers. Into the composter. Could actually throw it into the worm thing too. Yeah, that's Tommy Atkins, or is that a Haden? Tommy Atkins, yeah. Well, my first graft to the Haden mango tree is not looking too good, but we'll see. I grafted Edward to the Tommy Atkins, and well, not what I wanted. Will they eat it? Woo! Don't drop it on the chick. It's like a cannonball.
You probably want to open it up into the middle. Chick, chick! Yeah, there you go. Okay, so you bite it a bit low. It's a grenade.
It is.
You want to smell it and take off the beautiful stem?
Pull the pin and go for the win.
Probably like one of our best ones. That
It's a
one
beauty.
or this one.
Oh, yeah, the little ones. All right, so let's pick some big ones to counter ripen. So how many do we have?
What?
That's enough. That's enough to dry. Let's just dry that many. I always want to pick like 20 gallons of fruit, and then that's way more than I wanted to deal with.
I would have just said.
But this is all the ripe stuff now, which is good. Now I want to pick a couple just to be counter ripened.
I think after the leader goes and all the other come.
Yeah, the leader. Who's the leader now?
I don't know.
Having these little chickens is so fun. So yeah, stay tuned for the episode where we dehydrate these mangoes. That'll be coming out next. Or rather soon. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Join us on our Chicken and mango adventures.
Ooh, found a really tiny.
What'd you find?
A tiny.
A tiny mango. The world's smallest mango.
Actually, no, the world's smallest is when they first come in.
Yeah. Do you think we can find any figs?
Yeah. Oh,
We might as well make this video, you know, what you got growing on.
Woo.
I see. I see.
What?
Fat fig. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, here's this one too.
Oh, that's a dried fig. That's the fig Newton. We'll give that to the rabbits. They would love that.
Dad, look at that. Is that one?
Oh, that is too. Okay, so I think we're gonna do it now. Why don't you go get a? We'll dry these too. We'll dry the dried figs. Really good. Let's go get.
Oh, is that one too? Oh, is that one too?
Okay.
Oh, is that one too?
This is out of control, Jack. We've got more figs than we can possibly handle.
I'll go climb in the tree.
Let's get a. Just go. Let's go get a bowl.
Ooh, they're
A
kind of
large
squishy.
bowl. That's what we want.
Oh, you want squishy, huh? Chicken, chicken. You want a mango?
Yeah, they might. They might like it. Where are they? Let's see. You do the chicken zen chant. Yeah, chick chick. Yeah, chick chick. Yeah, chick chick. Oh, here they come. Yeah, chick chick. Works every time. Yes, you should let them eat a fig. Oh.
Oh,
Uh-oh. All to himself. Nope, that's it. You got to bring enough for everybody.
I know. I think so.
Or they'll just chase until they go crazy. Here, look. Look, Sirius Black. Here, you stayed for the party. Yeah, good. Try. Like that fig? You do like it. What bird doesn't like figs? Come here. What a lucky chicken you are to be eating fresh figs.
We would probably want to like cut it in half though, right?
No.
Oh, no.
Look, Sirius Black's going to town on this thing.
Inside.
He loves it. He's getting into the sweet part now.
Where did they go? Oh my god.
We learned that today the chickens love figs. But he's afraid he's missing out. That chicken's still running with the fig.
No, he just struck me.
Silly chicken, you ran into a place you get cornered. Here, I'll tell you what.
He finally dropped.
I don't think I want to finish this one, guys. So here, you can. Oh boy. Yeah, you're enjoying this beet greens. Loving that beet greens. They've been eating this little fig tree I planted here too.
Oh, yeah.
And munching on the pigeon pea. Oh yeah, look at that. He's not gonna let it go. He does not want to let it go. He's smart.
He's like, is he licking it?
Yeah, he's delicious. Delicious.
Tea break.
She. I keep calling it he.
After you get inside of it, you just gotta start licking.
These are all hens, except for Sirius Black potentially. We don't know that he's a rooster. We just like to think it.
It's cool.
Do you think he's a rooster?
Probably. Ooh, I can see
Sirius
the
Black.
seeds.
If he's a rooster, he's going to the farm. We've got a farm that's already said they'll take him.
No.
Funky Chicken Farm out in Palm Bay. Yeah, by the way, shout out to Funky Chicken Farm. Everyone should go there and check that place out. It is amazing, small farm.
What did you do with the other one?
And we're going to be going back there. We're going to be going back there with the mangoes.
What did you do with the other one? Sirius Black?
Oh, I fed it to them. Yeah, and they already took it away.
Where? Chick, 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 chick. Yeah, Sirius Black. Oh, not want it? Wow. Gotta let go. I'll hold it for you. I can hold it. like the most yummy thing I've ever eaten.
Well, there's no question that.
He's shorter.
Well, it looks just like when the birds eat it out of our trees.
Oh, no, definitely. Have you been eating all of our mangoes?
She can't get up that high.
Figs.
It's those woodpeckers. They go to town on our figs.
I wonder Ponzi is so fat. He's all he's been doing is eating figs. They drop. I feel like all the seeds.
Yeah, these figs are good for them. Lots of vitamins and minerals. Fresh fruit and vegetables for the chickens. Alright, so do you want to go get a container?
Yeah, how big are you thinking? Maybe just like the hay thing for now.
Like, yeah, a large Tupperware. Maybe we'll do the figs first. What I'm talking about is dehydrate the figs first in the oven. Yeah. What?
You said this one's already dehydrated?
It seemed like it, yeah. Some of them are dry out on the tree itself. You let them go. See what else we can pick. A few other things coming in right now. Of course, June in Florida is a great time of the year if you have a food forest. And lots of other cool things like plumeria. If you have love of flowers like I do, you're going to want to have some plumeria. I could smell them from here. It's incredibly fragrant. Look at these giant lilies. Everywhere you look, something interesting. Beautiful color of the crotons. Looks like the chickens have moved on to the red brick road. Red brick road. Yes? Get. Oh wow. Alright, good deal. Do you want to do the picking or the videotaping? You'd be the picker. Let me see if I can get an eye on some of these varieties before they...
This one?
Yeah, that's a good one.
How do you?
Did you forget how to pick figs?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You just take it and you just push it down. It comes right off. Oh yeah, that's a goodie. Yeah, just get on the base of the stem and just press down. You can just pull it down actually. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
It's like another, like a
Ooh, there's a good one. You can tell the ones that are a little bit...
Oh, yes.
Here, hold that. I'll see if I can reach. Oops, that's a bummer. That's a foul.
Eater.
That's a foul. We got the stem. We like them with the stem on them. That was.
Looks like sugar.
That was not what you want. Live on the internet. Pig picking. Pig picking. Pig picking. Pig picking. That when you rip the stem off onto the tree, that's pig picking. What you want is fig picking. Ahaha!
That's a really
fat one.
Don't mess it up.
Fat one. Don't mess it up. Pick it right. Pick it right. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Okay, you see like it's red on the bottom or purple.
Oh yeah, that's what we want. Well, I don't think we're gonna have enough to dry this time, but we will next harvest.
Oh yeah, because they're not as many already. Whoa, I didn't even...
Key is to get all these guys off of here before they get ripe, because as soon as they start to get ripe, to a certain extent, the ends will open up. You see how the ends aren't open up on this?
Yeah.
And this one, ends not open up, but as soon as they get super ripe, the ends will open up, and that's when bugs can get inside them. Then the bugs start. And
I see something I see a mango, it's like a very top. I like to get my eyes back on it.
Looking, scanning, thousands of figs.
I don't know. It's fig. I thought it was sweet.
I know I missed some. No matter how many times you look, you never see them all.
There's a fig at like the very top of the tree.
Really? Oh, I see it. I see it. All right, I can go up there, but I'll have to. Ooh, there's one.
I was gonna climb on the fence, but I realized how.
Oh yeah, that'll work. Now, some people might think these aren't ripe, but you can counter ripen figs very easily. In fact, if I leave these on the counter, they will be sweet and delicious by tomorrow morning.
How much tinier this one is?
Is that the one the chicken chewed on?
Yeah.
Don't put that in with our other stuff.
I know, just putting it in there.
Chicken chewed figs in with our figs.
Let me go.
Get salmonella. Ooh, there's one. Up in there, up in there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here's a droopy one. When they get to this level, you're in a good state. And they're super sweet right now. This one's a little deformed, but I'll show you what it looks like. So you can see what the inside looks like. I just ripped it open. Look at how yummy that looks. You can see it glistening. It's like, wow, that's good. That is a good one. But I don't think I'll have enough to dry. Not this batch. Maybe one more up super high. I might not have any figs left if Jack feeds them all to the chickens. Which would be fine by me. No, alright, I think we got most of them. Well, I thought we were going to get a whole bunch. We only got a little bit.
Come back here.
Yeah, you like that.
He stole my fig.
I saw him run by with a pig in his mouth.
No, don't go back here.
Well,
no, he's a pig. I feel like.
here it comes. Pig thief.
Come on, give up. You're cornering yourself. No! He's gonna kill me. No! You got hide. Oh, Terry's flat. Corner yourself.
You're not gonna let him eat it? He ran so hard for it. She earned it.
Well, I wanted to hand feed him.
Oh, he would like to feed himself, I think.
It's like the insides they like the best.
Oh look, all the chickens are going up in their coop. Whoa.
How many little mini seeds are in there?
Yeah.
Chip
I
chip.
love it.
Like, okay, fine. Oh my God, seriously. See,
And he's
now-
gone. Larry. Larry the lizard showed up.
How do you know who the lizard is? No, he's smart. Let's turn you around. No. Yeah. Go back. I told you. There's no way to just here. Oh,
I got it. He does not like it.
he's eaten half of it.
Yeah, let him have the rest.
Okay, fine. Let's go it now. I gotta exercise. Running around pretty much the entire time. What did you do with the pig?
She ate it.
Oh, I thought she ate it. See, stop. Yeah, I think he likes the insides the best.
He likes it when you hold it for him
Yeah.
and get in there.
I can like feel his beak through the thing. Yeah, it's pretty much gone. Oh. Oh. Now if we want to give Sirius Black something he likes, give him a fig. I'm gonna try to like catch.
Almost.
Oh no. Oh no. I don't feel like I have two. Okay, no, I
Good one. Good one. Looks like a heart.
I know it does.
Well, Jack, you got them all cooped up for the night?
You want me to get them into the actual coop?
No, they'll go up on their own.
What about the door? I think a raccoon can open these blocks or move 2 bricks.
No.
Do you just keep that door? I just felt like it was dripping water or something. Something dripped from it.
Hey, Chicky D. Hey, Chicky. Beautiful, beautiful chicken.
The toaster is still here.
Yeah, we dug this up in the yard. That was my daughter Julia's toy when she was little. Now she's off in college. Backyard family archaeology.
Beautiful eyes.
We are really enjoying these chickens. Looks like they're enjoying us too.
Want to go back in with your friends?
I feel like we're providing them with a pretty good life. They get to run around, eat bugs all morning, eat fresh fruit and food. Tongue twisted.
You don't have sharp claws as Penelope. Feels like the chickens know which hand I am better at holding them with my right. So they always try to take the advantage when I'm holding my Oh, hello, beautiful. iPhone, please, please. I swear one is fine.
You all out of there? No, there's just one.
Chick, chick.
Go ahead, empty that water out.
More water.
Yeah, it's got dirt in it. Empty it out of here. Here, I do it like this. You want to wash the water so it gets off. I'll pour it out. You still have to pour in there. Make sure they always have fresh water. treats now. Hey, Dumps. How you doing, bud? You are a beautiful boy. Another great night.